In the whole life, we are running in a race. But have you ever thought for a moment in your life about who you are? To successfully overcome the problems we face in our life and to take the right steps to go forward in the life, we must know ourselves well. First of all, you must understand that this universe is infinite. In this universe, in a small galaxy, in a solar system, in one planet, in one country, in one region, you are just one person. First, understand the gap between you and the infinite universe. You will realize how small and objective you are in this universe. You are just another teeny particle in this universe, a combination of a physical body and mind. Okay, now you know your place in this universe. Now let's see who you really are, taking the entity you alone. Here we can define you based on three factors. To truly understand who you are, the combination of all three factors is essential. Those are mental you, physical you, and external factors. Let's examine these three factors one by one. Here, you can imagine the examples that suit for you, or write down them. Okay, the first one is mental you. This includes your self-confidence, education you have received so far, your memory, your thoughts, like things. The next one is physical you. This includes your health, your appearance, and how your body responds to illness, like things. The next one is external factors. This can be divided into two categories as living and non-living. If we take examples for living external factors of your life, your parents, husband, wife, children, like persons. If we take examples for non-living external factors of your life, your house, vehicle, money, like this. Okay, now if someone asks from you really who you are, you can give a complete answer for that.
You are a combination of mental you, physical you, and outer factors, which I mentioned before as external factors.
This is you. Without any of these, you cannot give a complete definition for yourself. All three factors are interconnected by both sides. As we talk about the beginning, let's see how it would help if we knew ourselves well when a problem happened. When you face to a problem, you need to think about how the decision you make will affect your mental you. As now you have identified your mental you well, you can think about this quickly. Think like this. How do this problem and the decision I made affect my self-confidence, self-esteem, my memory, my thoughts? If it causes mental distress, you need to realize that the decision you made was not the right one. You also need to think this from the physical you. How will this problem and the decision affect your health? If you are suffering from an illness, how will this decision affect that illness? Could it harm your appearance? You also need to think about things like that. Finally, the external factors. You need to think about the things like how this problem will affect your family, your lover, friends, and neighbors. Could your decision affect them in a harmful way? Could they be upset with you? Likewise. On the other hand, you need to think about whether your decision and solution could be harmful to your finances, home, and possessions. Could the decision cause problem for them in the future? Likewise. In this way, it is very easy for a person who has properly identified himself to solve the problem as soon as it arises. Although these factors exist separately, they are always interconnected. So the decision you make will never be the wrong one. So find that who you are in this way. Use this method to successfully face the challenges. I believe that there is no problem that cannot be solved by someone who truly self-find well. So keep on knowing yourself to move forward and win the life.